Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise. For those of you that sadly don't know me yet, I'm gonna have a simple, relaxing video because it's been a tough week. So today we're gonna be getting ready together for no reason. Literally no reason. We're just gonna stay at home and we're gonna get ready so we can feel better. If you would like to support me and my videos, just make sure you subscribe in the button down below and comment because I love talking to you guys, and just share this video because it helps a lot. All right guys, so let's just jump right into it. Today I'm not sure what's going on with my hair, but it kind of looks cute now and then it looks totally frizzy, so I don't know what's going on. Let's just work with it and be happy. Alright guys, I already primed my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is the second time I use it. I'm still not sure, like I like it, but I'm still not sure how I feel about it. I feel like it makes me look better on camera because I've been looking crazy out here. Alright, so I guess let's start with the eyes. I did my eyebrows too. I did my eyebrows with the Anastasia brown ones, you know. Good. Prime my eyelids with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. A little bit of it. This one is actually really light for me, so I like using it as the eyeshadow primer. Put a little bit on my hand and then I apply a little brushy brush if I find one. Close. Okay. I'm just gonna prime my eyelid like this, you know. Just prime my eyelid. I'm gonna take a thick brush. If I find thick brush. Thick. These are the Luxe crease brush. I don't know what I want to use this for my crease. Trying to not make ugly faces because every time I do video, I make the ugly faces, and then when I'm editing, I want to, you know, cry. You know, I discovered the other day that Zendaya also does the ugly faces when she's recording, so I was really excited about that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take my setting powder from Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna just set my eyelids because I don't like going over with shadow right away, just because I feel like it gets I have oily eyelids, so it'll crease. Alright guys, and I'm gonna be using my, you guys seen it before, this is my Nirvana palette volume 3. I haven't got volume 4 yet, but I need to. I actually should order that. I need to go to Sephora, by the way. This is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. This is the brush JH34. Right now I'm thinking about a sunset looking makeup. Why? I do not know, but we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna go with E4. This is a yellow, and blend that into the crease. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I literally have been feeling like I don't want to do anything. I don't want to get up. I don't want to interact. And it's kind of bad. Like, it happens to me every once in a while. And I don't know. I feel like this time it just hit me harder because I've been trying really hard to like focus on my YouTube channel. And I didn't post for a couple days, but I feel like we all need that time to reset and work on self-care and make sure we're okay. A lot of stuff happened the past couple weeks, and the state of the world right now is, we know a lot of crazy things are going on, and I think we just need a little bit of time to get ourselves together. Just press the reset button again because life is crazy. So this whole week I spent it going from my bed to the table watching Criminal Minds because it's my favorite show ever. And other than that, I've been trying to, you know, drink tea. I did a couple masks. Leave me in the comments how you have been feeling during this crazy time. So I'm gonna go in with E3 and just blend it on the crease, just darken a little that color. So yes guys, self-care is so important. What do you guys do to stay motivated? Because I feel like that's one of my biggest issues, is staying motivated and trusting myself when doing things that, I don't know. I feel like sometimes I let people convince me of things that are not true. And I'm one of those people that needs to stop listening to what people say, because like every time I've stopped doing YouTube videos it's because of something someone said, and myself not trusting the process of what I do. And with other things I'm pretty great. Like, excuse me, I'm pretty great at work, pretty dedicated at work. Like, I love working, and I've tried to bring that into my dreams and making things happen for me. Sometimes, I don't know, this is like an everyone thing, but sometimes I just can't. A2 is the next color I'm gonna blend in, same brush. I'm gonna take that E4 again and go over. Now I'm gonna take, this is one of my Sephora brushes. This is one of my first brushes I ever used. This brush has been with me for over 5 years. We're gonna spray it. The purple is pretty good. We're gonna spray it. I sprayed it with, that's the only thing I have right now. I can find my setting sprays. I sprayed it with the watermelon thingy. I hope my eyes don't go crazy, but I'm gonna take just a bright orange, E5, put it on my lid. Orange, I love this. Orange shadow and pink shadows are my total favorite. It's all I wear. At one point I was like, I need to start wearing brown and regular colors because every day for work literally is either pink or orange. I miss work. I miss work. What do you guys think? Should I leave it like this? I don't know. It looks kind of cute. I never really tried just orange. Where's my blending brush? Guys, I'm a mess. Found it. Gonna go in with A2 again to blend everything together because everything gotta be blended. And then I'm gonna take E4 again, the yellow shadow, and blend it into my crease. I feel like that yellow disappears all the time. What if I do, I don't know if I should leave it like this. It's super cute. So what I'm gonna do now to think about it, if I should leave it like this, is I'm going to do my foundation. Don't laugh because my beauty blender still look crazy. I need to buy a new one, but you know we're at home. And I've been trying to stay off websites because I keep ordering stuff I don't need. I believe that I need it, but I don't really need it. You guys seen that SpongeBob episode where he's like, I don't need it, I don't need it, I need it. This is me. I need it! With online shopping, I can't. I use my NARS Sheer Glow foundation, the only one that actually looks like me right now because I lost all my color during quarantine. I'm gonna share with you something really sad that happened to me the other day. I guess I've been using my computer so much that somehow I messed up my cable. Now I have to order a new one. I sent it to my parents' house because I thought I was gonna be there. Surprise, I'm still not there. And so yes, I've been charging my computer with an iPad charger. Like literally it's charging, but it's dying at the same time because I guess the charger is not potent enough.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Staying motivated is one of those things that are super hard for me. And some people is like, oh no, you know, stay positive. And I try to stay positive as much as I can, and staying positive is one of my biggest things. But for me, to gain motivation, I literally have to sit down and talk to myself and be like, you know, you have to do this. You have to get up, you have to go to work, you have to get out of your bed, because if I could stay sleeping all day, I would do it. And for me, like a lot of people ask me, I'm like, what do you do that? Like, I can't control it. It's hard. Sometimes I'm like, I don't know what's wrong, but it happens, you know, and it's not like I want to do it. I try my best to not be in that state where all I want to do is sleep and do nothing. That's what I've been trying to avoid this past couple days. And let's, you know, try to stay positive even though a lot of negative things are happening out there. And I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Before I even put on my powder, I'm gonna use my iconic London illuminator. So it's gonna be, that's a lot. That's a lot. Oh my god, that's a lot. And it's going down, no. Oh my god, guys. This was too much. I don't know why I like doing this to my chin, but I like doing that to my chin. I feel like I literally get distracted and change the topic of what I'm talking about real fast. It's on, so I'm gonna set my face now. Another thing that I've been struggling with, and it's not really a struggle, it's just I've been trying to control myself on this one little thing. I want to cut my hair so bad. I just want an excuse to take scissors and cut my hair, and it's a thing. It happens to me a lot. And I don't know if you noticed, but my roots are crazy. Like, my hair has grown so much during this quarantine, and I want my hair to be back to the length I had it before, and that's not a good decision. So I've been trying to fight it. I've been wanting to dye my hair because obviously you guys see the hair color I have. My hair was red last time, like before quarantine and everything. And now I don't know what color it is. It's like a brown and a blonde, and it's red like closer to the roots, it's darker, and I want to fix it. So I bought like the Garnier like the color mask that they have for like a red color, and I was gonna put it on my hair. I was like, okay, and I bought it, and now I can't return it. So I kept it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I gotta give it to someone, but at the same time, I'm like, who has red hair? And I love my red hair. It was so cute. I feel like us being bored in quarantine is making us do a lot of things. And I'm like, I don't want to regret it. I'll be trying to grow my hair, make my hair healthy. Somehow my hair curled like this last time I did it. And I'm like, remember the last video I had the finger coils on? This is how it came out. I was so happy about it, but I'm like, I don't even remember what I did to get my hair like this. I left them on for like 2 days, but that's it. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right there and I'm gonna do my bronzer. And I don't know also if it's just me, but every single time I'm doing my makeup, my nose runs. It's either my nose running or I start tearing. I'm like, I do not understand this. Like I literally have to take a napkin and shove it in there. What? Because my nose. And for my contour, I use this kind of a roundy brush. I don't know why, but I love it. I usually like to wear my contour, like my bronzer higher on my cheeks, just because it kind of lifts my face a little more. My face has been getting a little chubby because I've been eating a lot. Also, I haven't had earrings on since everything started. I haven't even wanted to put that on because where am I going? Nowhere. What is this? What is this? Oh my god, I've been breaking out like crazy too, and I'm like, I'm home. Why am I breaking out? Is it just me? Is it just me that's been breaking out? I don't believe so. It's just bananas. I'm like, why is it happening? I've been doing my skin, well, most of the days I've been doing my skincare. I've been taking my vitamins. What is it? Is it the vitamins? Is it the vitamins? You gotta explain to me because I don't understand. So now you're gonna use my really dirty nose blush. This is Seduction. Every time I'm like overboard with blush and I say, oh my god, I put so much blush on, I see a video and it looks like I have nothing on because of the lights. And I be looking like a clown in real life and I'm like, excuse me? Excuse me? Blend it out with a fluffy brush because our eyes are already crazy. We don't want any more crazy on. I'm gonna still put highlighter on. So I'm gonna use my Fenty. This is Fenty Sandcastle Hollywood. Oh, look at that. Pretty shit. Oh. I'm stupid. Okay, that looks better. It looks pretty good. Okay. Look at me. Oh.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this little blending brush, this purple little blending brush. I'm gonna take C1. I'm gonna put this in my inner corner just to bring, you know, a little bit of gold right here. So. Alright, so for the liner, I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs. What is this called? Okay, my Marc Jacobs liquid gel liner. I have something in my lashes. This is the black. This is a great liner. It's supposed, well, it claims to stay all day, and what I'm telling you, it does stay all day. Is like when you're taking it out, it doesn't want to come out. So it's pretty good.
Later.
I'm not gonna worry about it. They are not even cousins. They might be an ounce. I cleaned the tiny little blending brush I talked to you about earlier, and I'm gonna mix in A5 and A2. Gonna blend this in my lower lash line. I like it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of black liner on my waterline. I'm gonna put on mascara. Okay, so a lot of people love the Mykonos lashes. I'm gonna put on Mykonos right now. Where's my glue? Where's my glue? So now, oh, right there. It was right there in my face. I'm gonna put it on the center. Oh, there we go. The inner corner is the hardest part. Give me a second. Oh, these look the same. I am impressed. I'm gonna take my Sephora liner that I use in every video. This is Rosewood from the lip liners. These are creamy, so I love them for that. A lot of people don't like it.
A lot of people will be scared here.
Just gonna line. A lot of people have been like doing their cupid's bow around. I don't know how I feel about that. I'll try it. There we go. Oh, it was standing right in front of me. Oh my god. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Bit of Honey. Never tried this one. I think it's the first time. Oh, it's so cute. You can't see it on the camera, but it's so cute. These butter glosses smell amazing. I don't know what the scent is. This just smells so good. Very natural. This might just be one of my new favorite gloss. When I got it, I thought the color, I thought I was not gonna like the color because it looks like peach. It looks different on camera, but it looks peach. All right, so this is the finished look. You like it? It's so pretty. Alright guys, so this is the look. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I love how the look turned out. If you liked it, make sure you share with your friends because it helps me. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like it if you like it, if not, okay, it's fine. You can leave comment to me down in the, comment below, And yes guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.